Are you looking to leave the stairs behind and move to a one-story home without sacrificing space and convenience? Welcome to Basildon Ranches, a community of ranch-style homes with amenities such as walking trails, dog parks, and more. Choose from floor plans with 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and the option to add a basement. Plus, your new home will be just off 521, giving you a direct route to Lancaster, Indian Land, Fort Mill, and South Charlotte. If you're looking for affordability, you'll find it here. All your kitchen appliances will be included, and your home is built with an energy-efficient savings, lowering your energy costs up to 30%. You'll also love the ease of one-story living with lower maintenance, wider doorways and hallways, a walk-in shower with a seat in the owner's bath, and more. What will be your favorite spot in your new home? Maybe the spacious owner's suite, the kitchen where you get to choose your design features like cabinets and countertops, or the covered porch where you can have your morning coffee. And you'll have more time to spend with friends, family, and neighbors because lawn care is included. Your neighbors are sure to become friends too. Meet at the dog park, take walks on the community trails, or gather by the fire pit for some great conversation. From start to finish, we have a dedicated team to help you every step of the way. Including after you move in, you can rest easy knowing your home comes with an in-house, industry-leading warranty. Living in this location is ideal for making your life easy and fun. Hop on 521 and head to downtown Lancaster to enjoy the shops on Main Street or a local festival. You can also head to Indian Land for everyday conveniences like Harris Teeter, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and more. Doctor's visits will be a breeze with MUSC Health Lancaster less than 4 miles away. And if you like to play a round of golf, head to Lancaster Golf Club. If you're picturing your life here, be sure to schedule your visit to see this community in person. We look forward to welcoming you home.